Okay, let's do that correction. I don't know why I was second guessing myself. And I was supposed to think the way I was thinking. I guess because, okay, what happened to the PowerPoint? Okay. So here we've been asked to determine which of these are square of difference. You can just see by looking. If it has an exponent of 2, then you check these if they're perfect squares. So square root of 16 is 4, so it's a perfect square. Square root of 25 is 5, is a perfect square. So then I will just write 4y squared, 4y minus 5b and 4y plus 5b. Okay? When this is a square, when this is a minus and you have perfect squares, you are literally multiplying one bracket with a minus and one bracket with a positive, but your values are the same. Now let us check. What is 4y times 4y? 16y squared. What is 4y times 5b? Positive 20yb. What is negative 5 times 4y? Negative 20yb, and this becomes 0. What is negative 5b times positive 5b? Negative 25b squared. And you see, I'll get 16y squared minus 25b squared. And this is the same as my question. So I'm going to say yes. Okay, let us look at this. My a is square root of 1, which is 1. So it's a perfect square. Then my square root of 100 is a perfect square. Then I have square and square, so that's also correct. So then I will say, yes, this is a difference of squares. Then what will I do? M minus 10, M plus 10. Now let's check our work to really confirm it is yes. M times M, M squared. M times positive M, positive 10M. Negative 10 times M, negative 10M. Negative 10 times positive 10, negative 100. Okay, but there is half. So this should be N here. Okay. All right, so put N. So this will be Mn, Mn, and then N squared. Okay. Okay, like that. So this and this go away because they become 0. So you have M squared minus 100 N squared. And it matches your question. So we are correct. It is a yes. All right, let's do this one. Square root of 64. 64 is a perfect square, so that is 8. But that has R, so this will be 8R. Okay. Then you do the square root of 225, which should give you 15. So now this should be a yes. Okay, let me confirm. 8R minus 15, 8R plus 15. 8R times 8R, 64R squared. 8R times positive 15, that is 8R 120. So that will be positive 120R minus 120R minus 225. This becomes 0. So you have 64R squared minus 225. This matches your question. So you say yes. Now, You cannot find the square root of a negative number. So that one is definitely no, because A is negative and we cannot find, so, or you can say, yes, we can, and because A is negative and -4 is not a perfect square. So that is the reason for E. Okay. Also, you can just say we cannot find the square root of a negative number. This one is definitely no, because the exponent is 3. For you to find a perfect square, this exponent should be multiples of 2. So, I mean, we should be exponent, so it should be 2, and then 4, and then 8, like that. Should not be, okay, so no, because 3 is not, the exponent 3 is cubic. Okay, or you say no, because both terms are not, no, both, this term is perfect square, this one, because -36 or 36a cubed is not a perfect square. Okay, so there. Okay, that's how we were supposed to answer that question. Right. So we have 2 no's and 3 yeses. Okay.